Gene Thomas, Biography. Gene Thomas, 61, has over 30 years of executive-level management experience working with technology-based companies. Healthcare institutions ranging from startups to a Fortune 500 public company. Gene worked at Memorial Hospital and Physicians Clinics at Gulfport for 12 years. Gene started at Memorial as interim director of ES. That resulting in becoming Vice President and Chief Information Officer and a member of administration. Responsibilities included all technology assets at the health system, software applications, electronic medical record, finance, revenue cycle and biomedical equipment. Gene led the initiative to select and install a multi-million-dollar 5-year project for a new system-wide Cerner, electronic medical record. That catalyzed EDW and Oracle-based ERP set of applications. Gene was the initial executive sponsor when Memorial entered its first ACO. Gene remains active in the ACO as an executive consultant to Memorial Hospital and Physicians Clinics in Gulfport, Mississippi. His current part-time work at Memorial is in value-based care and population health initiatives. Gene is the founder of Thriving Populis, a pending not-for-profit focused on population health and per-member per-year cost reductions. Thriving Populis has a multifaceted plan to improve patient compliance, with a physician's prescribed plan of care and known lifestyles that collectively prevent and/or control chronic conditions and reduce overall healthcare expense. Gene is chairman of the board of Millimatch, a cognitive linguistics approach to better hiring, retention and life cycle of staff. Currently Millimatch is focused on home health and healthcare staffing. Gene is a board member and shareholder of Innosurance, a technology company that patented and trademarked the driver safety rating (DSR) algorithm. The intellectual property was purchased by Eurostat and Disaster DSR under the brand name of Tripewise. M.R. Thomas has experience in emerging technologies as well as startup and development technology companies. Since 1984, M.R. Thomas has worked in management and executive level positions, where he provided strategy, product development, sales and marketing for Compuad, Micron Electronics, Abreu, and biotech companies and healthcare providers. Gene began his career with Polaroid Corporation in sales and marketing in the electronic imaging group. He had significant experience in hypergrowth companies with 7 years at Compuad, where held senior level positions in sales and marketing. Gene participated in developing and managing Compuad to become one of the largest direct marketing technology companies in the late 80s and early 90s. His performance eventually led to his election to play a key role in expansion, where he held the position of Managing Director of Sales and Marketing in the United Kingdom. After Compuad, Gene was recruited as Vice President of Sales and Marketing for Micron Electronics, where he had responsibility for all sales, marketing, customer service, technical support and product management. During his years at Micron, Gene was instrumental in the development of the strategy that launched Micron into the competitive event server and technology market, and navigated the changing environment as Micron grew to a publicly traded multi-billion-dollar company with over 4,000 employees. Gene was an officer of Micron Electronics, which eventually became the 9th largest supplier of personal computers, notebooks and servers in the country. After Micron Electronics, he became a consultant working for the Dean of LSU School of Medicine. He provided expertise in engaging technology companies to participate in sus Advanced Learning Center. After working with LSU, he was recruited to be CEO and chairman of Abreu Inc., a radiology information system company. Gene successfully raised millions of dollars needed to initiate and launch Abreu's concepts and products in the radiology information system market. In 2002, Gene successfully negotiated a majority sale of the company to one of the largest investors and a key distributor. He went on to become president of Advanced Biochem, a proteomics research and diagnostic company. He negotiated intellectual property rights and technology transfer agreements with MD Anderson, University of Texas Health Science Center. Gene has been involved as an investor, board member or consultant with startup companies as well as established operating companies. He has experience in entity structuring, strategic planning and professional fundraising at the executive and board level, with a strong business and healthcare background. Gene focuses on prevention and control of chronic conditions. Additionally, Gene works independently on the perceived shortage of organ donations.